shit, there's another one. This praying mantis is gonna eat this ant right here. Holy shit, he's already got one. Oh fuck, this fucking ant. This fucking ant is so stupid. He's really gonna go for it. Fucking get him. Oh, he's fucking eating the other one. Oh fuck. This is fucking rad. Oh, he's fucking eating him. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh. Oh my. Oh, I think he's fucking eating his head first. Oh my god. See if we can zoom in here. Oh fuck, I lost him. Oh, there's one. Oh my god, he just totally ate that fucking ant. Damn, oh, there he goes. He's going for the other one. Oh, no, you got him! Oh my god! Oh, fuck, what the fuck? They're everywhere. What the fuck? Oh my god, this mantis is savage. They're fucking, these ants are going for him. These ants want to fucking eat him too, but fuck. This thing's fucking savage. Look, there's another one. Oh my god, he's gonna get it. Where'd it go? Oh, he's gonna get him. He's gonna. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. They all go to this fucking. Oh my god, this thing is smart. They fucking all go to this leaf, and he's fucking waiting there. He knows they're gonna go to him. They probably fucking can't see him. What the? Oh. Oh man. Oh. Oh, there's two of them. Oh my god. Oh, they're gonna fucking jump him. Oh, they're trying to fucking oh my god. Fuck, they better not be getting my fucking hair. Fuck. Oh, they're so stupid. They're fighting each other. Oh, no. One of them told the other, fuck, they're gonna get hell in. Oh my god, what the fuck? Someone's crawling at me. Fuck. They're probably gonna get hell in numbers and try and fucking get this guy. Man. Do I let nature take its course, or do I intervene? Fuck it. You know? Damn. This is so crazy. This is fucking better than the fucking Discovery Channel. Better than fucking Animal Planet. God, he's not even eating the one he has. What the fuck is he doing? He's like sitting there thinking. He's like, This is so crazy. Fuck, where did those other ones go? I think they were scared. I think they knew this fucking thing was gonna kill them. And they fucking left. Where the fuck is he? There he is. A little closer for me. There's our unsuccessful adversary. Look at this ant, he's still fucking alive. He's just like, fuck, man. I'm gonna fucking praying mantis claw. Probably gonna fucking die now. What the fuck is he doing to him? Damn, these are some fucking rad shots. Come on, take a fucking picture of it. Oh my god, he's gonna eat him. Oh my god. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, he eats the fucking head first, and I think he just plays with it. He's like chewing on his fucking head. Oh my god. Ah. Fucking nature, dude. What the fuck? Savage. Ah. Oh, he doesn't have a head anymore. His fucking head is gone. And this thing's like, yeah, fucking thanks for putting me on this fucking cherry tree, man. This is fucking rad. I think I'll just stay here for a while, fucking eat some ants. And blend in with this fucking leaf. Pray a little bit or some shit. Fuck, man, this is so crazy. Oh, fuck! These fucking ants, they're like fire ants or some shit, and they're fucking popping up on these fucking branches. They're probably fucking in my hair or some shit. Dude, I have a bad feeling. I have a bad feeling that those other ants fucking were like, fuck that, we're gonna go get the fucking crew. I think they're gonna come back with hella numbers and try and fucking outnumber this guy. Take him back to the fucking colony or some shit. But he should be able to pick him off. He's a fucking savage. Yeah, he ate that whole fucking ant. He ate 2 of them already since we put him on this tree. Wow. This is nuts. I think I should go fucking roll a joint or something and get this guy fucking high. Or maybe I shouldn't. Maybe that'll impede his abilities to fucking survive. Or perhaps not. Perhaps it'll make him a fucking even more precise fucking killing machine or whatever. Fucking, that'd be pretty trippy. We should do an experiment. Damn, what the fuck? Oh, he's looking at me, I think. Maybe he doesn't like that I'm filming him. What's up? What's up, you fucking praying mantis, you? Damn, this is so crazy. He's just chilling. He's probably gonna fucking live in this tree. That would be sick. Oh, what's he doing now? Oh, look at him. He's fucking camera shy.